Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition 3-inch stainless steel V-band kit. Now this part is a universal fit product, so it will fit many vehicles. It's mainly used for custom exhaust applications. So I'm going to go ahead and take the nut off here, open the V-band clamp. So the kit consists of two stainless steel 3-inch V-band flanges. It includes a counter recess in here, so a 3-inch steel or stainless steel pipe will fit directly into this lip, and there'll be a nice little lip on the outside for you to run a weld bead. The other thing you can notice here is the flanges. One is a female, it has a groove in it, and the other one is a male, it has a positive lip on it. So when you put them together, they don't move. This ensures a solid exhaust seal and no exhaust leaks. And then the flanges position between the clamp, just like so. And you'll use the included lock nut to tighten the clamp down. Now, two things that are very important with V-band clamps is, one, since they're used on exhaust systems and they get hot, you want to go ahead and put some copper anti-seize on the threads here, so you can remove this clamp in the future. So make sure on all the thread here you put anti-seize. And the second thing is the locking nuts here, you never want to use an impact gun on these things. You always want to use a ratchet or a wrench. And that way you don't overheat or break the actual clamp here from all the friction and tension of hitting it on with an impact gun.